Let's be honest. You don't need a perfect year. You need a comeback year. Not a loud one, not a flashy one. A quiet year where things finally start working again. And 2026 can be that year. Not because you suddenly become motivated, but because you stop doing what failed before. If the last year felt bad, you are not alone. You made plans, you tried to change, you started, then stopped. Again. At some point, you stopped trusting yourself. You said, I always quit. I can't stay consistent. Maybe this is just how I am. But the problem was never you. The problem was the way you tried to change. Most people think a comeback looks like this. One big decision, one big burst of motivation, one big change. That never lasts. Motivation is loud but short. When it leaves, old habits take over. So 2026 will not be your comeback because of motivation. It will be your comeback because of systems. Your life is not controlled by big goals. It is controlled by small actions you repeat. What you do when you wake up. What you do when you feel tired. What you do when no one is watching. If those actions stay the same, the year stays the same. If those actions change, everything changes. So, the goal of 2026 is simple. Change your defaults. Rule 1. Stop trying to fix everything. The biggest mistake people make is this. They try to fix their whole life at once. Gym, diet, sleep, work, study, focus, everything. That is too much. So, in 2026, do the opposite. Pick one small thing. One habit that makes life a little better. That's it. Rule 2. Start smaller than you think. If your plan feels serious, it is too big. Real change starts small, very small. Not work out every day, just 5 minutes. Not read books, just 1 page. Not fix my life, just show up today. Small actions feel easy. Easy actions get repeated. Repeated actions change your life. Rule 3. Make it automatic. In 2026, stop relying on willpower. Willpower gets tired. Instead, give habits a start signal. Same time, same place. Wake up, drink water. Sit at desk, start timer. Put phone down, open notebook. No thinking, no waiting to feel ready. You just begin. Rule 4. Remove what is holding you back. You don't need more discipline. You need fewer distractions. Make bad habits harder. Phone away from bed. Apps with limits, less noise. Make good habits easier. Book in sight, shoes ready, water nearby. Design your space so the right choice is easy. Rule 5. Never miss twice. In 2026, you will still mess up. That is normal. The rule is simple. Never miss twice. One bad day is life. 2 bad days is a new habit. So if you fail today, show up tomorrow. Even if it is small, especially if it is small. What the comeback really feels like. Your comeback will not feel exciting. It will feel quiet. You will feel a little more calm, a little more in control, a little more proud. You won't change overnight, but one day you will look back and think, I'm not stuck anymore. That is the moment it worked. 2026 is not about becoming perfect. It is about becoming consistent. You don't need a new life. You need new daily actions. Start small, repeat often, never miss twice. That's how a comeback really happens. And yes, 2026 can be your year.